Have you ever thought about investing but felt overwhelmed by the complexity? Let's simplify things. Investing is just putting your money to work for you, growing over time. And guess what? You can start small, even with just a few dollars. But don't worry, investing isn't as complex as it seems, and you don't need a fortune to get started. You may wonder, why start small? Well, investing is a balance of risk and reward. Starting small is key in controlling that risk, especially for those new to the game. It provides a safety net, allowing you to learn and grow without risking too much at once. So, how exactly do you start investing with small amounts? Well, first things first, set a budget. This doesn't have to be a fortune. Even a few dollars a week can go a long way. Next, choose a platform. There are plenty of beginner-friendly investment platforms out there, like robo-advisors or micro-investing apps that allow you to start with just a few bucks. Then, it's time to do your homework. Research potential investments. Understand what you're putting your money into. You're not just buying a piece of a company or a commodity, you're buying a piece of the future. Finally, make your first investment. This can be as simple as clicking a button on your chosen platform. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich quick, it's about growing your wealth over time. And just like that, you've made your first investment. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and you've just taken yours. Let's quickly summarize what we've covered today. We've learned the importance of starting small in investing, understanding that it minimizes risk while still offering potential rewards. We've also explored practical steps to begin investing with small amounts using accessible platforms and tools tailored for beginners. Remember, the key to successful investing isn't about having a lot of money. It's about starting early, learning continuously, and staying consistent. So, what are you waiting for? Start your investing journey today.